Hi, and welcome back to My English Pages. In our last lesson, we learned the verb to be, words like am, is, and are. Today, we're going to learn something just as important, subject pronouns. These are small words, but you'll use them in every single sentence you speak or write in English. Let's go. So, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a short word that replaces a noun, a name or a thing, so we don't have to repeat it. For example, instead of saying, Maya is a student, Maya loves English, we say, Maya is a student, she loves English. The word she replaces Maya. That's a pronoun. Now, a subject pronoun is a pronoun that comes before the verb in a sentence. It tells us who or what is doing the action. In English, there are 7 subject pronouns. Let's go through them one by one. I. You use this to talk about yourself. I am a student. You. You use this to talk to one person or a group of people. You are my teacher. He. For one man or boy. He is my classmate. She. For one woman or girl. She is from Canada. It. For a thing, a place, or an animal. It is a great school. We. For yourself and other people together. We are in the same class. They. For more than one person or thing. They are my classmates. Now, listen to this short conversation between Adam and Maya. Pay attention to the subject pronouns.
Hi, I'm Adam. Is that your friend over there?
Yes, she is my friend Nora. She is from Canada.
And who are those 2 boys? Are they your brothers?
No, they are my classmates. We are all in the same school. It is a great school.
That's great. I am looking for a good school too. Can you tell me more about it?
Of course. It is called City English School. We love it.
Did you notice? Adam and Maya used I, she, they, we, it, and you, all 7 subject pronouns, right there in one conversation. Let's look at a quick summary. First, the singular pronouns, when you're talking about one person or one thing. I, yourself. You, the person you're talking to. He, one man or boy. She, one woman or girl. It, one thing, place, or animal. Now the plural pronouns, when you're talking about more than one. We, yourself and other people together. You, a group of people. Yes, you works for both singular and plural in English. They, more than one person or thing. Pro tip, 2 things to remember. First, always write I with a capital letter in English, even in the middle of a sentence. For example, my friend and I are students. Many beginners forget this. Second, you is the same for one person and a group. English doesn't have a separate word for plural you. You use context to know which one it is. Now, let's practice. I'll give you a sentence. Choose the correct subject pronoun. Ready? Question 1. The answer is, Sarah is a nurse. She works at the hospital because Sarah is a woman. Question 2. The answer is, Tom and I are best friends. We go to school together. Tom and I equals we. Question 3. The answer is, the book is on the table. It is very interesting. It refers to the book. The book is a thing. Question 4. The answer is, look at those children. They are playing in the park. They refers to more than one person. Question 5. The answer is, you are a great English learner. Keep going. I'm talking to you. Question 6. The answer is, my brother has a dog. It is very friendly. A dog is an animal, so we use it. Question 7. The answer is, Adam and Nora are classmates. They are from different countries. 2 people, so they. Great work! Let's quickly review. Subject pronouns replace nouns and come before the verb. The 7 pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. You're doing a fantastic job.